viewers, today we shall talk about an American poet, Walt Whitman, 1819 to 1892. Walt Whitman was an American poet, essayist, and a journalist, a humanist. He was a part of transition between transcendentalism and realism. Incorporating both views in his work, Whitman is among the most influential poets in the American canon, often called the father of free verse. He was born May 31, 1819, West Hills, New York, United States. Died March 26, 1892, Camden, New Jersey, United States. Books: Leaves of Grass, Song of Myself, O Captain, My Captain. Sibling: George Washington Whitman, brother; Thomas Jefferson Whitman, brothers; Hannah Louisa Whitman, sister; Edward Whitman, brother; Andrew Jackson Whitman, brothers; Jesse Whitman, brother; Mary Elizabeth Whitman, sister. Curse: Do I contradict myself? Very well, then I contradict myself. I am large, I contain multitude. I celebrate myself and sing myself, be curious and not judgmental. He is one of the originator of American Romanticism. The use of first person singular shows that he is an egoist. Song of Myself is most celebrated collection of poems. He picks up symbols from the natural world. The poem "There is a child" went forth suggests a child absorbs and assimilates everything, sees and encounters. Whatsoever he comes across, it reflects in his personality. All what he sights and experiences become the part of his existence. His poem, "The Poet to Come," expresses Whitman's optimism that poets of future will carry the tendency of bringing good to society by the useful publications. His poem, "O Captain, My Captain," is an elegy written over the death of Abraham Lincoln. His poem, "Shut Not Your Door," is addressed to libraries not to shut door against the books of poem he has written. His poem, "I Saw Louisiana, a Hive of Growing," suggests love of friends and comrades, solitary life, isolation, comparison of oak tree and humanity. Walt Whitman, thanks to watch the video carefully. I have selected a lot of about Whitman, but I am in a hurry to present before you all the content that I have selected for this video. Thank you so much to listen the video and to watch the video again, and if you like it, please subscribe my channel. Thanks again.